Hi, it's Peter Carney from My Food Garden. It's the end of January 2020 and we're in our garden here, and this beautiful space, this 200 square metre garden which we started 1 year ago. We've had great cropping in the first year and now we're on our second year, and you can see in this space there is a common plant here which is cowpea. It's a crop grown to feed the soil, a green manure crop, which will provide a lot of nitrogen to the soil. And there are some plants in here that are still cropping, some older plants still cropping. Zucchinis here, there's cucumbers on the climbing frame here, and this shade structure here, which has a lot of leafy plants. It has zucchinis, squash, rock melons, a whole range of plants are growing in here, which we planted in our beautiful biodynamic compost. So most of our garden beds here are going through a transformation, a wet season transformation with the green manure crop, but this long bed here with the shade structure and the climbing frame are all being used for food production over summer. And because it gets so hot here, the plants need a bit of shade to thrive at this time of the year. So just come around here and you can see along the edge of this bed here, there are all these zucchinis coming through. See the size of the leaves in these plants, and we have the rock melon vine creeping through here. It's taking over the path a bit. Lettuce is underneath in the shade. Yeah, beautiful. So this lower part of the garden here is getting the shade, and the plants are really thriving. And you can see these beds here, these three beds here, the green manure crop is all the way through the beds. You can see some spring onions coming out of the green manure up there, which have been in for many months, and we're progressively harvesting them out of the bed. And in the lower portion of the garden over here, below the space, you'll see the bananas. Over here, right below the shades, the climbing frame. So there's 8 or 9 bananas in there, all growing well and getting the nutrient and moisture soakage of this space. Okay, so this green manure will be cut down at the end of February, so in a month it'll be this high consistently throughout the garden, and then by the end of March, which is basically 2 months from now, we'll be ready to start planting it out with autumn vegetables, and everything will grow beautifully, all guided by biodynamic soil preparations. So that's our update for the end of January 2020. We've got our organic workshop series starting in mid-February, so only 2 weeks away. There's 2 series. Go to our website at myfoodgarden.com.au and check for workshops, and our biodynamic introductory workshop is on the 28th and 29th of March. So thanks, it's Peter Carney from My Food Garden.